Okay guys, in this tutorial video I'm going to show you how we can undo our sent email from the Gmail account. Okay, sometime we send an email, then we think, oh, I get some of the mistake, I need to undo and correct it and send it again. So in this case it is very useful. So guys, it is very easy. I will show you how we can easily do that. Guys, welcome back to my channel once again, Basic Computer SUDIN, where I discuss the basic technical knowledge of tips and tricks. Whoever the new in my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Okay guys, let's begin the video. Okay, for example, this is my email. Okay, in this case, go to the right hand side top in the setting options and you will find there one option, see all setting. If I can say in one word, go to the setting page of your Gmail account and search. There is one option called undo send. Okay, undo send. This is the one, undo send. Okay, and here you can see send cancellation period. You can manage it second. Okay, according to second, not a minute. So after the any changes, go to the bottom line of the setting and press the save change. If you didn't press, there will no change, so you need to press save change. Okay, save change. Okay, then let me compose one of the email and I will show you. Okay, for example, I'm sending one of my friend. Okay, one of the email, just type anything and now press the send. Oh, I think then I get some of the mistake. I want to undo it. How? See, left hand side of your bottom line, you can see undo. Within that 30 seconds, what you made in the period, within that 30 seconds, you can undo. I did undo this email. See, it came here. So this is how we can easily undo our sent items within we set time period. Guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. See you guys in next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.